We down here visiting KRS, Kennel of River Styx. See if we can help the old man tighten some of this setups up and stuff. Just want y'all to see. This is about as perfect pit bull as they come. This is Floyd Money Mayweather. And he is something special. I named him Floyd because he's got skills. It's a hell of a dog right here. This is everything a pit bull's supposed to be. He probably conditioned down in the high 20s. To my understanding, he's a mostly Crenshaw and Boudreaux. Got a little Kobe outcross in there, back in there. But he is a good one. He's related to my Speedy. He is a good one.